Let us discuss various component parts of the theodolite. Here you see the transit vernier theodolite having list count 20 second. This is another transit theodolite with the same 20 second list count. As a look wise it may differ, but their component parts remain the same. So let us move towards the component parts one by one. This is, as you can say, this is a triangular plate having circular threaded hole. Circular threaded hole means here you can see circular threaded hole. This is threaded hole. You can see it is used to fix the theodolite to the tripod stand. Here next component part is foot screw. There are 3 foot screws. You can see 1, 2, and this one is third. It is secured in the trivet at the bottom with the ball and socket connection, and at the top in the tri-batch. Angular plate is called as tri-batch. These foot screws are at the top portion. It is screwed in this tri-batch. This complete assembly, that is trivet, foot screw and tri-batch, is called as leveling head. Let us move to the next part, that is spindles. Spindles, there are 2 axes called, one is outer and one is inner. You cannot see it, but these are the spindles. One in that there is one outer axis which is hollow and one inner axis which is solid and conical. Moving to the next part, this you can see this is a lower plate. One is lower plate, or it is also called as scale plate. It is attached to the outer axis and carries the readings 0 to 360 degree at 0 mark. Here in clockwise direction, suppose you can see this is 0, and then it is marked like here 15, 20, here 40, 50, like that. It is marked up to 360 degree in the clockwise direction. This is lower clamp screw. You can, when this is clamp screw is clamped, lower plate is get fixed with the outer axis. This is upper plate. It contains vernier A, and here there is a vernier B. These vernier A and B are marked from 0 to 20 minutes. It is used to measure the readings of the theodolite. And when the clamp screw is tightened, that is, this is upper clamp, it controls the movement of the vernier scale. When it is tightened, it get fixed, vernier A and B get fixed with respect to inner axis. And this is a tangent screw. Tangent screw, or it is also called a slow motion screw. It is used for fine adjustment. In the similar way, this is lower clamp screw which control the motion of the lower plate, and this is the lower clamp screw or lower tangent screw. This is the plate bubble. It is mounted on the vernier plate. It is used to level the instrument while measuring the horizontal angle. It can be leveled by using this foot screw. These are the standards, or it is also called as A-frame. It is provided on upper plate to support this telescope, this vertical circle, and this verniers of the vertical circle. These are the vernier C and vernier D. It is supported on these A-frames. This is telescope. It is provided on standards, and also it is provided with this clamp screw. This is focusing screw. Focusing screw is used to adjust the image when we see the image of ranging rod through this telescope. That is called as, this is focusing screw, this is clamping screw, and this is the tangent screw. This is the vertical circle. This is rigidly fixed with the telescope. This is the complete circle. It is marked from 0, here it is 0 degree. If you can see, this is the 0 degree, and from 0 degree to 90 degree here as a 0 to 90. From here 0 to 90, this is second quadrant. Also this third quadrant 0 to 90 up to bottom, and again from here 0 to 90. Like that is 360 degrees divided into 4 quadrant from 0 to 90. 0 is marked on this horizontal diameter. Both zeros are marked on this horizontal diameter. This line, horizontal line joining these two zero marks, corresponds to line of collimation. What is line of collimation? We'll see it later on. Again, movement of this vertical circle, can be fixed by using this clamp screw, and can be adjusted for a fine adjustment. It can be adjusted by using this tangent screw. These divisions marked on this vertical circle are same as marked on the here on this horizontal circle. The index bar is the index bar provided with provided on a standard in front. This is a standard provided on the standard in front of this vertical circle. It has one horizontal arm. This is horizontal arm. It is you cannot see it, but this horizontal arm, this carries these two vernier. This is, you can see, vernier D, and here vernier C is there. It's just its horizontal arm carries the vernier C and D, and the vertical arm, this is vertical arm, and this is vertical arm, and it is controlled by this clamp screw. By using, this is a clamp screw, this vertical arm here, you can see this vertical arm can be adjusted using this clamp screw, so that this by using this clamp screw, the altitude bubble can be brought to the center. This long sensitive bubble provided at the top of index bar is called as altitude bubble. It is brought to the center by using this clip screw at the time of measurement of vertical angle. Thus, this covers all the component parts of the theodolite.